Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is going to be a bread table lamp. Okay. Show you guys what we've got. If I can open it. Okay. Here goes the base. So this is going to be one of the parts of it here. The base that fell down. So there we go. And here is the lamp here. It's going to be a nice glass top here. Somewhere to put it. And here's our instructions of putting it together. Looks like it's going to be pretty straightforward. Here's our base that I dropped. We'll screw onto the base. Am I supposed to screw it on first? I'll put this up. I think it'll be fine. Yeah. Okay. Okay, there, that's screwed on. Now I'm going to take this glass part off here. And then you see these little clips here, they just flip up into the base here to do it like that. And there we go, now we have our lamp. And then it is USB powered, which is good because nice low power. Can put it anywhere. I can just plug it in my little USB porty thing here. And there we go. So now we have the buttons over here. So on, and there we go. So I think this color is orange. I'm kind of colorblind, but it's got I'm gonna show you guys here. It's got a nice foam bottom here, so it's not gonna scratch your table. You can, because it's USB, you can just connect it up to a battery, so you can put it on the middle of a table that doesn't even have anything. And then we have minus, we can make it dimmer. I don't know if you guys can see it getting dimmer. I have studio lights on, so not too much difference, but there we go. I'm not sure what the little button in the middle is. Oh, it kind of changes the hue of it. So you can kind of change the colors and then power off. That's pretty cool. So if you need a neat little table lamp, this would be great in the middle of our kitchen table. You might even kind of drill a hole through the bottom or something like that and have the little battery underneath the table or something like that. But how cool is that? Neat little lamp. If you need a neat little retro looking futuristic mid-century modern or something like that kind of color, this one here is great. I like it. Really nice. It seems sturdy too, so it's good. And it's a glass top, so it's very quality, easy to clean. Thumbs up. Really nice.